Cold and cough in pregnancy. Managing cold and cough in pregnancy is a challenge as it is very difficult to handle cold and cough in pregnancy. If the medicine are not advisable in pregnancy, it becomes even more difficult to cure it fast. Symptoms you may feel: 1. Sore throat, 2. Headache, 3. Sneezing, 4. Blocked or runny nose, 5. Cough, 6. Mild fever. Here are some remedies to prevent cold and cough in pregnancy. 1. Ginger tea or ginger water. 2. Gargle with lukewarm salt water. 3. Take homemade soup. 4. Have hot milk and lukewarm water. 5. Take steam to reduce nasal congestion. 6. Use saline nasal spray prescribed by your doctor. 7. Massage chest and upper back with little warm mustard oil. 8. Consult your doctor and take medicine prescribed by doctor. If your symptoms persist or have high fever, you should consult your doctor. As fever or flu can harm you and your baby, some prevention tips to avoid cold and cough in pregnancy. 1. Wear mask whenever you go out. 2. Drink warm water. 3. Take your prenatal vitamins daily. 4. Maintain hygiene. 5. Take proper rest. 6. Drink lots of fluids. 7. Avoid exposure to smoke. 8. Avoid dusting. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos and information.